Hello everyone, welcome back to Trendline Times. I'm Uma and today we are diving into a wild what if scenario that sounds like fiction but it could happen. What if the entire internet went down in India for one full week? No Google, no WhatsApp, no UPI, no work from home. Imagine the chaos or maybe some peace. Let's explore how this 1 week internet blackout would shake every part of our lives from students to stock markets. Let's begin. Let's start with everyday life. We wake up, no alarm sends to the cloud, no Spotify, no YouTube, no Google search for today's weather or how to make oats properly. Your cab app's gone. Food delivery, forget it. Even your digital fridge or smart home devices completely offline. People would rush to ATMs, panic buy groceries, and actually talk to the neighbors for info like the 90s all over again. Even our digital addictions, Instagram, Reels, Netflix, total blackout. Now imagine banks, no UPI, no Paytm, no GPay, no online transfers, cash becomes king again. ATM lines would get longer than ever, credit card machines dead. Stock markets would be paused or crashed due to no trading disruption. And for businesses relying on online payments, it's instant losses. Now think about office life. No Zoom, no Google Meet, no Slack. Most IT companies would come to a standstill. Freelancers, online tutors, digital marketers basically unemployed for a week. Even government services like Aadhaar, e-governance portals and tax systems offline. Thousands of crores lost, all because of one thing, no internet. Now imagine being a student during this blackout, no online classes, no Coursera, no Google Classroom, no project research. Students preparing for NEET, UPSC or JEE stuck without online resources. And Gen Z would lose their minds without YouTube study with me videos and digital notes. News only on TV or radio. WhatsApp groups dead. Twitter updates gone. Facebook fights and Insta stories poof. How would people know what's real or fake without the internet? This would be dangerous during a natural disaster or political crisis. Misinformation would spread faster than ever, but only through word of mouth. Think about this. A hospital needs your medical history and it's on a cloud server. Doctors use digital systems, telemedicine, even AI powered diagnostics. Ambulance services, emergency alerts, online medicine delivery all gone. This blackout could even cost lives in serious cases. Here's the hard truth. India's economy runs on digital rails. From farmers selling produce online to small businesses on WhatsApp to job seekers on LinkedIn, everyone would feel the impact. Urban areas would go silent digitally, rural areas might cope better, but the supply chains and communication gaps would grow. Even law enforcement and national security depend on surveillance and online tracking. Now you might ask, can the internet really go off in India? Not likely on its own, but a massive cyber attack, satellite disruption, or internal shutdown like what happened in some countries could cause it. The government and telecom companies do have backup systems, but nothing is perfect. So, what if the internet went down in India for a week? It would create chaos, losses, panic, and some unexpected calm. Maybe families would reconnect, maybe people would step away from screens, but it would also expose how deeply we depend on something invisible every second of every day. Let me know what you think. Could you survive a week without the internet? Yes, that brings us to the big question. Could we really function without the internet for even a single week? This scenario shows us just how deeply connected and dependent we are on this something we can't even see. It powers our work, our communication, our entertainment, even our health and safety. But maybe, just maybe, a pause could also remind us of the value of real conversations, slower mornings, and life beyond the screen. What do you think? Would a 1 week internet shutdown be a total disaster or much needed digital detox? Let me know in the comments. I would love to hear your take. And if you found this video interesting, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to Trendline Times for more fresh perspectives on the world around you. This is Uma signing off. Stay curious, stay connected, and I'll see you in the next video.